This is Bouquet of Love stamp set from Altenew. This is a 6x8 stamp set with 11 individual stamps. Decorate your cards with a beautiful flower bouquet. This stamp set features a stunning large floral arrangement to take away the hassle of arranging small images one by one. Color it with your favorite medium or heat emboss it for a more elegant approach. This set also includes a variety of sentiments for any occasion.
Introducing Craft Your Life Tote Bag from Altenew. Are you looking for the perfect storage bag to house your crafting supplies on the go? Craft your life with this unique and stylish tote bag featuring Altenew flowers in some of our favourite colours. This is the perfect bag to take with you to crafting shows, classes, workshops and other fun events. The bag is perfectly sized for all of your crafting needs, daily shopping and more. This reusable bag is eco-friendly and made from heavy-duty 100% cotton fabric, so it's strong enough to hold heavier supplies as well. Introducing Crafting Pride Decal Set from Altenew. Show your crafting pride with this fun decal set. The message, "Crafter on board," would be a great addition to the back windshield of your family vehicle, while "Crafting is my superpower" can be used to decorate your laptop, craft desk, or any other surface of your choice. Adorn your projects, phone, computer, journals, furniture, and even your walls with our stunning decals. They feature designs and phrases with an elegance that you have come to expect from Altenew. They have been created with the crafter in mind, yet are versatile and timeless enough for anyone looking to add a little beauty into their life.
This is Dreamy Cat Stamp Set from Altenew. This is a 4x6 stamp set with 12 individual stamps. Honor your beloved feline friends with this cute cartoony set. The set has a cute dreamy cat sleeping on a crescent moon along with thought bubbles to indicate fun imaginary cat dreams of mice, fish and bones and other images cats love. This is Dreamy Cat Simple Coloring Stencil from Altenew. Honor your beloved feline friends with these cute cats. These coloring stencils coordinate with the Dreamy Cat Stamp Set. They are part of our unique line of stencils curated to be used with their corresponding stamp sets. The stencils will provide a base for adding color and character to the images in the stamp set.
Introducing Enchanting Vines 3D Embossing Folder from Altenew. Take your projects to a whole new dimension with our 3D embossing folders. Add a beautiful touch of botanical design to your cards, scrapbook layouts, or journal pages to make your projects even more exciting. Instead of achieving merely 2 levels of embossed texture, this folder will produce 3-dimensional shaped designs to enhance your creations. Simply run through your die cutting machine, following the manufacturer's instructions for 3D embossing folders, and you're all set. Introducing Folk Art Motif 3D Embossing folder from Altenew. Take your projects to a whole new dimension with our 3D embossing folders. This 6x6 embossing folder is designed to perfectly pair with our Folk Art Stamp Set. Instead of achieving merely 2 levels of embossed texture, this folder will produce 3-dimensional shape designs to enhance your creations. Simply run through your die cutting machine following the manufacturer's instructions for 3D embossing folders and you're all set.
This is Folk Art Stamp Set from Altenew. This is a 6x8 stamp set with 11 individual stamps. Add elaborate floral designs to your paper crafting projects with this traditionally inspired stamp set. This stamp set is perfect for card making, journaling and scrapbooking.
Introducing Geometric Castle 3D Embossing folder from Altenew. Take your projects to a whole new dimension with our 3D embossing folders. Geometric shapes come together to form a modern castle with this 3D embossing folder. It would make a wonderful background for any project, helping to invoke an enchanted fairy tale feel. Instead of achieving merely 2 levels of embossed texture, this folder will produce 3-dimensional shape designs to enhance your creations. Simply run through your die cutting machine, following the manufacturer's instructions for 3D embossing folders and you're all set.
This is Magical Memories Stamp Set from Altenew. This is a 6x8 stamp set with 20 individual stamps. This set reminds you how special stories can take you on adventures to faraway lands. Create your own imaginary memories in distant lands with lots of magical stamps, including a dreamy houseboat and a nature-themed hot air balloon parachute traveling contraption. With this set, you could make holiday getaway cards, party invitations, book club notes, or layouts celebrating travel memories. This is Marbled Bloom Stamp Set from Altenew. This is a 6x8 stamp set with 24 individual stamps. This unique floral stamp set has a look like no other. It features a bold flower with petals that look like they've been marbled with paint. 2 different leaves and a sweet bud accompany the main image, along with a few fun sentiments. Ink up all the layers of this beauty for a detailed look, or opt for a more minimalistic approach with fewer colors. The choice is yours. This is Meadow Brush Layering Stencil 4-in-1 from Altenew. This layering stencil will let you create a beautiful bush of scattered wildflowers. The flowers comprise 3 layers plus the centers, which have been combined with the leaves and branches in one stencil. Use your lightest color on the base layer of the flowers, and you may experiment with darker colors in the additional 2 layers. Try using embossing paste or embossing powder in one of the floral layers for an added texture and interest.
Introducing Scalloped Flowers 3D Embossing folder from Alter New. Take your projects to a whole new dimension with our 3D embossing folders. Create amazing 3D textured projects with this beautiful floral embossing folder that features elements from the scalloped ornaments and ornate foliage stamp sets. You may use it to create a gorgeous monochrome textured background or bring it up a notch by applying colour using inks and blending brushes. Instead of achieving merely 2 levels of embossed texture, this folder will produce 3-dimensional shaped designs to enhance your creations. Simply run through your die cutting machine, following the manufacturer's instructions for 3D embossing folders, and you're all set.
This is Scalloped Ornament Stamp Set from Alter New. This is a 6x8 stamp set with 24 individual stamps. Add gorgeous scallop designs to your paper crafting projects with this stamp set. The set features beautiful ornamental floral elements that are a delight to work with. There are 2 large outline images with beautiful inner details that would look gorgeous embossed or stamped with your favorite ink. Each ornament also has color layering images that have been grouped carefully to give appropriate color variations. Looking for even more creative possibilities? The style of the artwork in this set matches those in our ornate foliage stamp set, and together they will give you great mix and match options. This is Scalloped Ornament Simple Coloring Stencil from Alter New. Add gorgeous scallop designs to your paper crafting projects with this set. These coloring stencils coordinate with Scalloped Ornament Stamp Set. These stencils are part of our unique line of stencils curated to be used with their corresponding stamp sets. The stencils will provide a base for adding color and character to the images in the stamp set. This is T for 2 stamp set from Alter New. This is a 6x8 stamp set with 23 individual stamps. T for 2 is a stamp set that is wonderful for card making, journaling and scrapbooking. Customers can add this to their cards, planners, journals and layouts. This stamp set adds a dainty and classic touch to one's cards with the different teapots and teacups along with the floral centerpieces. This can be die cutted, painted with watercolor, colored in with markers and more. This is T for 2 Simple Coloring Stencil from Alter New. These coloring stencils coordinate with the T for 2 stamp set. They are part of our unique line of stencils curated to be used with their corresponding stamp sets. The stencils will provide a base for adding color and character to the images in the stamp set. Create fun and whimsical tea-inspired cards with this fabulous set.
Introducing Tie-Dye Motif Stamp Set from Alter New. This is a 6x8 inch clear stamp set containing 17 individual stamps. It's time to tie-dye. Want to add unique patterns to your cards, journals and scrapbook layouts? This stamp set is inspired by tie-dye patterns. You can use these unique stamps together, laid on top of each other or separately for a customised design. The 3 pairs of striped tie-dye motifs pair perfectly in various combinations to create beautiful patterns. The lines of brush strokes can be used as frames, borders or backgrounds for your projects. Introducing Whimsical Wonder Release 6x6 paper packs. Want to add beautiful pattern papers to your paper crafting collection? A Love for Stripes Set D. To all the stripe lovers out there, this is for you. This paper pack features oh so versatile stripe patterns in some of your favourite Altenew colours. Let these papers serve as a background or a focal point on your projects. Poured acrylic. Acrylic paint pouring is an exciting trend in the art world, and we are bringing it to paper crafting. This 6x6 paper pack features beautiful designs of swirled in vibrant colours. Now you can achieve the look of poured acrylic paints without all of the mess. Introducing Whimsical Wonder Release Washi Tape. Ready to add some beautiful washi tape designs to your paper crafting collection? Elegant foil washi tape. Thin grey stripes are alternated with wide gold foil stripes in this delightfully elegant washi tape. Use a single strip to accent any project or build an entire background by adhering multiple strips next to each other. Full Harvest Slim Washi Tape Set. Looking for the perfect touch of yellow to add to your paper crafting projects? This washi tape set features the colours from our Fall Harvest colour family in a delicate 1/4 inch wide tape. You may use them to add colour, create a frame, or add subtle border to your projects. Introducing Zentangle Patterns 3D Embossing Folder from Altenew. Take your projects to a whole new dimension with our 3D embossing folders. This 6x6 embossing folder features intricate Zentangle designs. The design begins at the bottom of the right-hand side and runs across the page diagonally. Instead of achieving merely 2 levels of embossed texture, this folder will produce 3-dimensional shape designs to enhance your creations. Simply run through your die cutting machine, following the manufacturer's instructions for 3D embossing folders, and you're all set. For more information and fresh inspiration using Zentangle Patterns, 3D embossing folder, and other available products, please visit us at altenew.com.
Hello crafters, I hope you enjoyed that video. If you want to see more, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything. Thanks for watching!